What's going on, everybody? This is how you structure your multifamily investing team step by step. Here we go. So this is going to be a no strings attached, just step-by-step process to help you build a Rockstar commercial and multifamily investing team. So number one, get to expert status. That simply just means always be learning, always be studying, always be curious, always be a student of the industry and of personal and professional development. That's it. Just develop expertise. Number two, put yourself in rooms daily filled with other potential partners and potential investors. In-person rooms will always trump online rooms or forums every single day of the week, but with Zoom, Google Meet, technology that we have this year, there is no better and easier way to stay connected with a very specific niche of people. So find them. Find the investors that are like-hearted and like-minded, but who are focused on commercial and multifamily deals. And this is a bonus if they're military affiliated, of course. Number three, get hyper curious about everyone around you, but primarily get to know their Ford or their frog. I love these acronyms. Ford, family, occupation, recreation, dreams. Or frog, family, recreation, occupation, goals. Get curious about their family, their recreation, their occupation, their goals. Get to know them personally. You're gonna just quickly weed out the people who aren't at your level of commitment, of morals, of ethics, of your short-term real estate goals, your long-term real estate goals. Just the people who are not gonna mesh with long-term. Number four, maintain and perfect a 15 to 20 second elevator pitch. So what does this mean? Write down and repeat a 15 to 20 second Barney style, simple, super simple breakdown of who you are, what you do, what your multifamily investing superpower is, and exactly what you're looking for. This one thing will place you in a different ball field, because even with little to no experience, you sure can sound like you know what you're talking about, and that you could sound like you do have a ton of experience. Perfect a 15 to 20 second elevator pitch, and when people ask you who you are, what do you do, it's easy, it's clear, it's very easy to understand. Number five, maintain and continue to improve your level of self-awareness, so you could tell everyone you know exactly who you are, what you do, how you add value to multifamily investing teams, and exactly what you're looking for. So bottom line, your ability to succeed here is directly tied to your level of self-awareness. Serious. The last one, number six, connect with someone new in real estate every single day until you're confident you have found your tribe. If you have done the last five, if you have developed expertise, if you have built your level of self-awareness, you know how to explain who you are, what you do inherently, and you are curious about everybody around you, connect with someone new, practice those concepts, and if you meet someone new every single day, you are going to be enthralled and overwhelmed with the amount of people that are going to be potentially great partners. So connect with someone every day. The last thing, connect with someone every single day in the real estate industry until you are confident you have found your tribe. I just made this way too easy for you. No excuses. Go after it. Go get some.